Hey all, welcome back to the shop. Today I'll be showing you how I made this ring out of ebony, Brazilian cherry, and 2 gold wire inlays. Take a look. Feels nice though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Jump outside and freeze your arms. But yeah, I make that.
There goes.
And here it is, the finished product. This ring was fairly complex. I've never done so many separate steps to complete one, but along the way all the pieces came together pretty much how I had it in my head, so that was really nice, since there were a lot of spots where it could have all gone sideways. All in all, this was one of my favorite projects that I've made, and I'm really glad someone will be wearing this to commemorate their marriage and commitment to their significant other. Cheers to them, and congratulations!
Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of making that. It's one of the more complicated rings I've done, but I'm really happy with the outcome. If you do like this video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and if you know someone that might like seeing this as well, share it with them. It really helps my channel out, and I really appreciate it. Until next time, hope you have a good one. Hey all, welcome back to the shop. Today I'll be showing you how I made this ring out of stuff. What did I make this out of?